Mannerheimintie 20, or part of Forum shopping center, but this is the office part. These doors are going to be replaced, unfortunately. I can take log stride with this one. And this busy now, as always. This laptop. In 1984 and married in 2003, it's 63495. Sixth floor is also locked up now, but I can only go to the 5th floor. I started at 7th floor. I walked there. Temperature saw 800 kilograms. I have filmed this tour in 2012, but it was a bad video. This floor. Memory is only for one reaction. Archive maintained by Kone. Fifth floor. That's